Yo, what's good? I'm with the homie Chuck, aka Speak Easy.
That's me.
We on our way to the Phoenix Convention Center for the Arizona State Card Show.
Woo.
Fall League Edition. This is a big show, 450 tables, 3-day event. So stay tuned. We're gonna keep you in the loop the whole time. Run the intro. Oh, Chuck.
We rolled it.
Dr. Ed, aka Dread, appreciate it, hooking me up with the Jordan and Fuego. Let's go.
Fire.
My dude Grill Collectibles coming through, grabbing some T-Law.
For a great price.
Shout out to my dude Chuck,
Got you,
man.
my bro.
Easy. Dude, my guy, Mr. Get It and Flip It in the building.
Mr. Get It and Flip It, slow money, better no money, no talk, just hustle, man. Shout out Coach of Collision, shout out Wizard Collector, shout out Chasing Slabs, Prison God, Downtown Jacob Boom. I'm here in AZ, man. I'm here again.
Look what he brought. Look what he brought through the table, though.
A little bit of heat.
Nasty. All nastiness. My dude.
Yes, sir. I got like another 30 cars in the backpack.
Woo. Yo, look at PBG, man. He came through dripping. Look at the 101 Sohan, Wemby Auto, Gold Trey Jones. Find my dude, BB Cars, man. What happened? What just happened?
We just looked up the little homie with the Kenneth Walker.
Oh, yeah.
Absolute by the storm.
Easy.
You know what I'm talking about.
Thank you.
No problem. Don't forget that too.
Yeah.
Check out our YouTube show because you're going to be on it now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Time to do some rips.
Little Chuck about to bust into, what is this? This is
It's a mega, yeah.
Mega. Good luck, big dog.
Let's do this.
Good luck, big dog.
Give me some purdy. Give me some purdies. Hell yeah.
How many packs?
We got 3, 6.
6 packs, rip them fast.
Let's go.
You're on a timer, dog. Let's see some color.
T-Law, die cut.
Oh, die cut, there you go.
Dope. Malik Willis, Aaron Rodgers. Let's go. That T-Law die cut though is pretty dope. I'm happy with that, right? Die cut card is sick. Julio, Devontae, Bob Miller. Oh yeah, Kyrie Elam, Malcolm Rodriguez, Garrett Wilson, numbers rookie. Hell yeah. Kurt Warner action. Let's go.
You got 1.5 minutes left, bro.
All right. Jeremy Bucket, Amon Ra, Charles Cross, Quay, Deshaun Watson, Romeo Dobbs, Joe Burrow. Nice.
I have to justify switching.
Pete Mahomes, Derek Carr, Justin Herbert, die cut, Mac Jones, Travis Etienne, Rashad White. Nice. Etienne is.
We need an auto, man, or a gold.
Let's go something. Let's go something. Kirk Cousins, Hayden Hurst, Jalen, Jamar Chase, die cut, that's sick. David Njoku, Justin Jefferson, Adam Thielen. Last one.
Doing something good.
Let's go. Aaron, Logan Hall, Saquon Barkley, Derrick Henry by the numbers, Baker Mayfield, Rams.
What did you just do, bro?
I just sold a Mass Christie green shimmer to 5.
What did you buy it for?
$5.
And what did you just sell it for?
500.
What you get?
Neon Lights Purdy rookie. That bad boy.
Shout out to the Monster Card Shop, man.
Monster Card Shop. We'll be back too. You guys are loaded.
Stay tuned for day 2. And if you haven't, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.